Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into the right session fast. Join a public or invite-only lobby depending on risk tolerance. Once in, make sure voice chat is enabled so you can speak immediately and confirm your mic levels. Then open the interaction menu and pull up friends and the social club list. This shows who is local or recently online. Do this first because visibility and communication are the two fastest ways to locate cooperative players and avoid random griefers. Next, you refine who to approach. Filter by crew, mutual friends, or recent players so you're not inviting strangers blindly. Once you spot good candidates, send a concise friend invite that states what you want to do: heist setup, contact missions, or just free mode hunting, and include an ETA. Then create or join an ad hoc crew lobby. Running one activity together quickly proves reliability. This method helps you build a repeatable group because people return when sessions are smooth and productive. Finally, lock plans by scheduling a short first session with roles and a clear objective. People commit better when they know time and payouts. Use quick job invites and external party apps to keep everyone connected and promote group cohesion by starting with low-risk money or fun missions. If you hit silence, pivot. Switch activity, offer a small payout, or drop into community-run lobbies to meet active players. Troubleshooting tip: if you suffer repeated griefers, move to an invite-only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.